Today we are going to make one background changing color app. So first we will get one color buttons, some buttons. So for example, we kept one button here, another button here, another button here, another here. You have to keep the buttons as of your color choices. So we name this button. Oh, the button is gone. Keep it again. We'll name this button, let's say red. Then we make change its border size, like we will do 5. Then we change the background color of the button for red, and then go to this code. Then we go to code and keep it on event 1 here, and keep it ID as this is button 7, this one. So keep it as button 7 and click its default click. Then go all the way down here and set property. Keep it in this green section and do this as screen 2. You can see here screen 2. Keep it screen 2. In this width one, we keep it as background color, and on red it is defaultly red. Then we go again to design. Then click this button. Its ID is button 2, and we keep here, for example, color blue. And so it the font changes to blue. Then go to the border width and 5. So it also will this. Then go to here and click the color blue and save. And we will align this to the center with the blue line. Then we again go to code. Then first on event, keep it here and keep this ID as button 2 because this button ID is button 2. Then on click and go all the way down and take this set property 1 and keep it here. Then we will do here screen 2 and here background color and do it here as blue color. Blue. We will run these two buttons first. When I will click red, the background color of the app will change to red, like this. And when I click blue, the background color will change to blue. Yes. Then we again go to design. Take this button. Its ID is button 3. You can see. And keep it here. Let's say yellow. First we add the names for the whole buttons. And green. Oh, 3 is. And take this button and name it, let's say, purple, and this button is, no, not orange, E. So first we go to yellow. Its ID is button 3 and change its border as 5 and its background as yellow. Then and go to green, border as 5 and the color green, and then we'll keep this in the line of yellow. Then go to purple. Then take the color purple and border width is 5 pixels. And we go to teal. Select the teal color We can say teal or we can also say it as cyan. And then border width again is 5. So this our whole buttons are ready. We have to now code it. We have done the coding for red and blue button. Now we'll do for yellow. So first we will have to see yellow's button ID. So its ID is button 3. So we go to on event and keep the button ID 3 here. On click and then again go to the property, set property and select as screen 2. Then go to background color and keep it as yellow. And by the way, if you don't know on which I'm doing this coding, it is the code.org. It is very famous. You may know about this coding site. I will send this link in the description box. Then go to green. We go to design green and this ID is button 4. So again on event, set property here, button 4, click. ID is screen 2, the width will no background and it is green color, so we'll keep it green. Then we have done the coding for red, blue, yellow and green. Now purple and teal remain. So you go to design, click on purple and purple button ID is button 5. So again go to on event, then set property, click here. Then click on button 5. Then click and then set property as screen 2, background color. It is of purple color, so we will keep it as purple. Now we don't know the color code. There is no option of purple. So we go to design, click on this. And we can see the background color as here is this. So we copy this code, go to again to coding and control V. Control first I delete the red one and control V. So now we have to go on event again and set property. This we will have to see the button ID for T button 6. Then select it as button 6 on click and this will be screen 2. The width not, we don't need the width and background color. And here the code is also not there. So we go to again design, go to tail and copy this code. Then delete this red, control V. Now let's run it. The code is done. So first we click red, it turned to red background. Then blue, blue background. Yellow, yellow background. Green, green background. Purple, purple background. Teal, teal background. Wow, our coding app, color change app is done. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to your friends. Thank you.